Strategies for your success in affiliate marketing. In today's world, in order for modern businesses to survive, they must rely on other companies to help them acquire customers and traffic. This kind of business help is considered to be affiliate marketing. If you wish to use affiliate marketing to ensure the success of your business, then follow these tips. Create a feeling of scarcity. By making your product seem like it's in limited supply, or by making your service appear to go up in price after a certain date, visitors to your site are faced with a time-sensitive dilemma. They are more likely to make a positive decision about your product because they don't want to miss out on a great deal. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Consider the tracking software that an affiliate company uses on their site. If the tracking software is unreliable, there is a good chance that you will not be credited for purchases that are made. Be sure that they track the phone, fax, and regular mail to be sure you are credited for all orders you send their way. As stated before, businesses need the help of other businesses to help them gain customers and site traffic. Businesses use this affiliate marketing as a more profitable alternative to self-promotion, which may not net as many gains. Using the tips in this video, you too can gain the benefits of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.